Here is how the system works. The start switch is pressed, which trips a timer in the power relay that sends power to the igniter, the exhaust blower, and the auger feed relay. The power relay will shut off all power if the low limit switch does not sense 140 degrees Fahrenheit within 15 minutes. The ignition switch shuts off the igniter when it senses 120 degrees Fahrenheit within the 15-minute period. When it senses airflow within the exhaust system, the vacuum switch conducts electricity to the auger feed control relay, which intermittently cycles the auger feed motor on and off. We recommend setting the convection blower in the low to medium range to minimize the noise level. If left in the off position, the override switch will eventually sense 160 degrees Fahrenheit and the blower will turn on to high speed until the temperature falls below 160 degrees to prevent overheating of the appliance. When the override is engaged, the convection blower speed cannot be adjusted lower. If the convection blower fails to cool down the appliance, the high limit switch will shut down the auger feed when it senses 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This switch must be manually reset so that the reason the appliance overheated can be determined and corrected. To turn off the system normally, simply turn off the auger feed control switch. Once all the pellets in the burn pot have been burned and the stove is cooled down, the exhaust blower will turn off. If the convection blower was turned on manually, it will also need to be turned off. If the appliance does not come on when the start switch is pressed, check the power supply. If the exhaust blower is operating, but the auger feed does not respond when turned on, check the vacuum switch, vacuum tube, and exhaust blower vent system to confirm they are not blocked. Check that the high limit switch has not been tripped. If the pellets are feeding into the burn pot, but they are not lighting, check the alignment of the burner with the igniter and confirm that the igniter is glowing. Make certain the holes in the burn pot are not blocked. If the appliance has failed to start or stay lit after 15 minutes, reduce the amount of combustion air until the fire has established itself. Repress the start switch to begin the cycle again. If the fire is small and the auger feed control fails to increase the flame size, check the auger to ensure that it has not become partially blocked. Also check the quality of the pellets, which should be hard and dry. If the pellets are soft or gummy, it indicates that they have been exposed to moisture and must be replaced. Only use dry pellets. Make sure the air control has also been properly set for the feed rate being used. For more detailed instructions on how to troubleshoot the various components, consult the Installation Instruction Troubleshooting section or have a qualified service person check the system. Being familiar with your system and following a regular maintenance schedule will provide you with years of worry-free enjoyment of your Napoleon pellet burning appliance. Thank you for choosing Napoleon.